ka dyan? Sure ka? No, because like, I can't stop it. Like, I can... The general direction papunta sa'yo. Move kita, konti. How's your konti?
How?
Get the other side of the table. Ay. Ay, patulong. Get the other side of the table. Okay.
More like... Ay!
Hindi, balikan.
Kailangan natin ko sa against the light.
Kailangan...
She's gonna block the light.
Oh, pagkita.
Okay, now she has the light.
Oh wow, thanks man. Now, may ano tayo. Nice. May backup plano dati. Wala.
Tapos ilagay sa YouTube eh. How to make a good kebab.
How not to make.
How not to make a good kebab.
This looks real good. Kaso nasa matagal maluto yung chicken.
Chicken is really tricky kasi.
Takes while to cook the chicken. Is this another...
Ayan, may ilaw.
Oh, wow!
Very nice.
Thank you, ate. Ano ba? Paano na din papwesto sa mic? You're gonna put that, bro. Sige, dito na lang. Ayan, Hiro, pwede ka nang mag- pahinga konti. Kailangan medyo elevator. Dito kaya, dito kaya. Dito kaya, mag-release. Pasok mo sa loob. Yan. How's that? It doesn't help.
Still need a light. This camera really is good though. Kahit ano, walang grain.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Compared to other cameras, this camera is good.
Hindi na luto yung chicken. Guys lang.
Unless you wanna burn it again.
Itong ilalim ng chicken so I can see that it's not like getting super cooked.
Getting cooked.
Ito. Lipat ko muna to. Ano yung trick?
Kasi yung start niya is super random. Like instruction.
Okay.
Imagine mo may switch tapos yun yung instruction sa'yo.
Kung.
I mean, it's pretty open diyan, pero imagine you're trying to like that. That kind of instruction.
Yo, naluto.
Is Ian resting in the
Yeah, he's resting because he drove his parents to the Tagaytay, right?
Yeah, and without sleep.
Oh.